Today, I'll walk you through the process of adding a card on Uber and setting up a new payment method so you can easily pay for your rides. This will make your Uber experience more convenient by having a payment method ready whenever you need it. Start by opening the Uber app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. From here, tap on Wallet. This is where you can manage all your payment methods. On the Wallet page, you will see various options for payment. Tap on Add Payment Method to proceed. Now, select credit or debit card. Because Uber does not allow screen recording of private content, I am switching to camera recording. Enter your card details, such as the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. CVV code are 3 digits on the back of your card. Once you've entered all the information correctly, tap the Save button to confirm your payment method. If necessary, follow the additional steps. It is also possible that you will need to verify your card through a code that will be sent. Your new card is now added, and you can use it for your Uber rides. That's it. Now, you can easily pay for all your trips with the new payment method. You can also add multiple payment methods and switch between them whenever necessary. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.